Hi there. Hi. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 2nd, 2023. And in this edition I've already solved one puzzle. Yeah, one star puzzle. Yeah, it's a one star puzzle. Then we have three puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic, and this one you are interested. Sudoku with 4 stars. Sudoku with 4 stars, number 6369. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes. 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. 24 printed digits is kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones, we have here 2 twos, we have here 3 threes, 4 fours. Alright. 3 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 4 nines. So the fours and the nines are in majority. Can I start with the 9? Yes, 9 in this column. 9 in the third column, so the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. Well, I cannot continue with the 9 now. Let me start with 4 then. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this one, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Alright. 9. Yeah. The 9 in this row, we go back to the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait again for. And we have a pair. The 4 and the 9 in this row. The last row. The 4 and the 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Alright. 4, 4. 9. Yeah. Okay. How about the 5 in this row? The 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8, 8. 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. two missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 7. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 5. 8. 8, 8. Yeah, 8, 8, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in one of those two boxes. In the second column, so the first column, only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8. 8, 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thinking. 6, 6. Yeah. 6, 6. The 1, the 5, and the 8. Yeah. Thinking. 3, 3, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. 3 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between second column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the second row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Yeah, need to think. 3. Alright. 2. 6. 2, 6, 3, and 1 is missing. Well, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers in the first column is the number 6. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the third row. So no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or there. In the first column, here or there. We see another 6 in the last row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. These two are reserved for the 4 and the 9. Yeah, 4 and 9. 1 and 2. Okay, and now 7. Yeah, thinking, still thinking. 1. 2, 5, 7. Come on, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. And need a 2 here. Alright, 2. Come on, here can be 4. Need a 4 here. How about the 9? 9, yeah. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Can I count the 9s? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Alright. Alright. Now. 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6. Here should be the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. Here can be a 6 because we have 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in this row should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the other one. The 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. Then the 2 in this first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Alright. How about 7, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Thinking. What the 8? 8, 8. 2. I'm thinking. 7. 7. Come on. 1. No 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 1. And 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 1. Alright. 1 and 3. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 and a 1, 2 and a 5. 2 and 5, okay. 8 and 8, 3 and a 6. 6, 6. 6, 5, and a 1. 1, 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. 8 and 1. This should be the 5. Yeah. We have a pair. The 1 and 8 in the third row. The 1, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, first row, the only two places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes. As a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5. Alright, then we have a pair here. We have a 5 and a 6 in this column. The 5 and the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 and a 7 here. 2 and a 5 here. Well, this should be the 6 and a 5. 6, 5, and 8 is missing. Yeah, the 8. Need an 8 there. Need a 3, 7, and a 1. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. Oh, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and a 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left with 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 the missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, 19 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than... Well, I'm faster than 20 minutes. So it's a 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.